Welcome to Daily Health. Looking to get fit but don't know where to start? Here's a simple 10-minute workout you can do right at home. No equipment needed. Let's start with a quick warm-up to get your blood flowing. March in place for 30 seconds, then arm circles for another 30 seconds, high knees for 30 seconds, and finish with torso twists for 30 seconds. Let's begin the workout. Now, let's dive into our main workout. First up, bodyweight squats for 1 minute. Stand shoulder width apart and lower into a squat, keeping your back straight. Next, we have push-ups, either on your knees or regular, for 1 minute. Focus on controlled movement as you lower and lift your body. Now, let's do glute bridges for 1 minute. Lie down, lift your hips, and squeeze your glutes at the top for maximum effect. Time for a plank hold for 1 minute. Engage your core and remember to breathe steadily throughout. Lunges are next. Step forward and drop into a lunge for 1 minute, switching legs halfway through. Keep that front knee aligned. Finish strong with jumping jacks for 1 minute. A great way to get your heart rate up. Great job. Now, let's cool down to prevent soreness. Start with neck rolls for 30 seconds, followed by shoulder stretches for another 30 seconds, then a forward fold for 30 seconds, and finish with deep breathing for 30 seconds. That's your 10-minute beginner-friendly home workout. Do this daily and you'll see real results. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Daily Health for more simple wellness tips.